All right, let's talk about that feeling of being on the outside, looking in, wanting so badly to start freelancing, but just feeling completely and totally stuck. Well, in this explainer, we are giving you the exact blueprint to go from broke to booked, even if you're starting from absolute zero. Let's dive in. First things first, let's just get this out of the way. If you're sitting there thinking, I don't have a degree or I don't have any experience, I really need you to hear this. The big secret to freelancing isn't about your resume. It's all about the value you can provide for someone right now, today. Think about the old way of doing things. You're stuck behind these gatekeepers, your application is buried in a pile, and you're just waiting for permission. Freelancing completely flips that script. It gives you direct access to clients and puts the power to take action right back into your hands. This is how you stop being overlooked and start getting booked. And this, right here, this is the entire mindset shift you need to make. It's about moving from passively waiting for things to happen to actively making them happen. This isn't about hoping someone picks you from a lineup. It's about showing them exactly why they should. So what can you actually offer a client? I bet you'd be surprised. You already have so many valuable, marketable skills just hiding in your everyday life. Let's go find them. And look at how simple this is. Are you good at writing clear emails? Boom, that's email copywriting. Do you love organizing things? Well, that's a virtual assistant service. Are you always the one who spots typos nobody else sees? That's content editing. You see, you don't need to go learn some brand new skill. You just need to repackage the ones you already have. And you know the best part? You don't have to be some kind of guru. You can take these skills and pair them with powerful and often free tools like Canva for design or Notion for organization. Seriously, these tools are your secret weapon for delivering professional level results right from day one. Okay, so you found a skill. Awesome. But now, how do you prove you can do it? This is where we solve that classic I don't have any experience problem by building a portfolio that does all the talking for you. The key, the absolute game changer, is the mock project. You do not need past clients to have a killer portfolio. A mock project is just a sample you create to show what you're capable of. It's your proof of skill, and you can create it right now. Here's the most important thing to remember. Your portfolio isn't about your past jobs, it's about your future potential. Your goal is to show them what you can do. So go create a sample blog post, design a couple of social media graphics, make a simple checklist. These tangible examples are your golden ticket. All right, skills are identified, portfolio's ready to go. Now for the fun part. Let's put it all together and actually land that first paying client. Okay, don't get overwhelmed by all the platforms out there. Just start with one of these three. They're built specifically to help new freelancers get that first critical win. Whether it's a simple gig on Fiverr or applying to jobs on Upwork, your only goal is to land that first client, because that's where the confidence really starts to build. So how do you actually stand out from the crowd? Ditch the generic copy and paste templates. Seriously, a personalized pitch is what gets a reply. Find something specific on their website. Point out one tiny area where you could help, and then offer a clear solution. Keep it short, be a kind human, and provide value right away. And what about pricing? The question everyone asks. Here's a simple rule. Start small, but never, ever work for free. Your time has value. The easiest way to start is with a flat rate package. So instead of a confusing hourly rate, just offer something clear like 3 Instagram posts for $50. It's simple, it's direct, and it gets you paid. This whole journey, it's about so much more than just making a little money. It's about building real confidence and literally creating a new path for yourself, one small step at a time. And this really shows you how simple it can be to build trust. You don't need to be some world-famous expert. Honestly, most clients just want someone who replies quickly, communicates clearly, and is dependable. They just want the work done without any drama. If you can do that, you're already way ahead of the pack. I love this because it's so true. Confidence isn't something you need before you start. It's what you get as a result of starting. It's like a muscle you build with every single pitch you send, every bit of feedback you get, and every project you deliver. You just have to begin. So let's just pause for a second and think about this transformation. Think back to where you were just a few minutes ago, maybe feeling a little lost, tangled up in doubt, not even sure where to start. But then, what happened? You identified the value you already have inside you. You built a portfolio from nothing that actually proves it. You figured out how to connect with people who genuinely need your help. By taking these small, deliberate steps, you've transformed. You've gone from feeling stuck to being self-made. You are a freelancer. And believe me, this is just the beginning. So you have the blueprint, you've seen the entire path laid out in front of you. The only question left is, what's that very first step you're going to take today? Look, landing that first gig is an incredible feeling. But if you're really serious about turning this into a real business, I want to show you how to scale it. To learn the fastest way to hit $5,000 a month, even if you're starting from scratch, visit www.homebizsimple.com for a completely free masterclass. It's your very next step on this incredible journey.